like them. It sucks me out and think like them.
Hi guys! Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. And today I have my Ipsy Glam bag. Now, if you're not familiar with Ipsy, it's a monthly makeup subscription bag. Sorry. And you get a mixture of, you get sample sizes, but sometimes you get full size too. And lately we have. And you get a different makeup bag every month. Well, some people would just collect the bag, which is okay. It's just a little strange to me, but yeah, it's alright. Okay, we'll put that in there. And this costs $14.99 a month plus $1.99 handling, and that's if you pay monthly. You can get a lesser cost if you pay annually, but I pay monthly. It's just easier for me. And it says the Soft Air Sweepstakes. It's got a thing code on there. This edit is Elfin Amazing, and they got an Elf edit sale going on thing. And this is this month's bag. Let's see what the pull is. This is just the pull, which I don't really see it having. Oh, I guess it's supposed to be like a. No, I don't know. I don't know what it has to do with the bag, but it matches. And then this is what it says on the back. So, I'm trying to keep my trash at bay. Okay, and I'll put all the values on the screen, and I always leave all the links down below, and I do link the item in case you're interested in the item. Okay, this is Nip and Fab Purify, and it's Salicylic Fix Clay Mask. And I'll open that. It comes in with a seal. Well, I have to seal it, left the plastic on it. I think I got it. No, I didn't. I hate it when it does that. See, it leaves the plastic. For now, it's coming out just a little bit. I got a hole in the plastic, but that's it. Looks like. And of course, it's just a typical clay mask. It's clay. And it doesn't have a smell. And it's supposed to reduce redness, I believe is what it said. Okay. And then we got Shades and SHAN, the setting spray. Just about got it this time. Sometimes they make these things so hard to get into. Okay. And this is just a setting spray. I don't really use them. We used to use the powder in the old days, but okay. Now, doesn't really have a smell either, which is good. Now, just because I say it doesn't really have a smell, it just means it's not a strong scent, because I ain't been able to smell since I had COVID last year. Okay, then we got this one. This is ELOISE, and it's in the color Bloom, and it's a blush. Looks like that. Maybe. Oh, it's probably got plastic around it. Of course it does. And it's plastic where you can't see the end of it. Oh, I see, it's just a piece of tape over the latch. Each tape over the latch. Come on, open, says me. Maybe. Maybe. And there's the color. It's very faint. It really doesn't even show up on my skin. So that will be passed on to somebody else. Then we have Tea Time from BYROE, New York, and it's chamomile tea. I think this is the stuff that's supposed to take away the redness. Oh, this is what it looks like. It had this little lid on top. Okay, and of course it looks like that, and it's just like a gel coming out of it, which that'll give you some idea, and it's just a gel. It smells I don't know what it smells like. It does have a smell, but I don't know what it smells like. And this is a cleanser. Kind of smells like soap. Okay, and the last thing I got is and this is fanning and volumizing mascara. And I'm sure it's a trial size. That's what it looks like. And it just has your regular applicator on it. So that was this month's Ipsy. What do you think of this one? This, to me, is not one of their better bags. And now they said I chose. I did not choose. I did not choose, because I wouldn't have chose a clay mask, and I wouldn't have chose the reddening stuff. So I don't think I chose. I think I just kind of got stuck with it. So anyway, that's Ipsy Glam Bag for September. So let me know what you think of it. Like, subscribe, do the YouTube stuff. Bye.